In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a paid invoice in Xero. Whether you've made a mistake on an invoice or you just need to clear it for your records, understanding this process is essential for maintaining accurate financial reports. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Xero website. It's important to note that you'll need to log into your account using your credentials, so make sure you have those handy. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your Xero dashboard, the hub of all your accounting activities. From the dashboard, look for the Sales tab. It's usually located in the top menu bar. Click on it, and this will guide you to the Sales Overview page where you can manage all your sales transactions. This section is crucial because it gives you a complete view of all sales-related activities, helping you stay organized and focused. Now that you're in the Sales section, click on Invoices. This will present you with a list of all invoices generated within your account. Scrolling through this list, you should find the specific paid invoice you're looking to delete. Remember, this should be an invoice that has already been marked as paid in the system. Accuracy is key here, so double-check to ensure you've selected the correct one. Once you've identified the right invoice, click on it to open the detailed view. Here, you'll see all the associated information about this invoice. Now look for the status indicator that shows Paid. Click on Paid to open additional options. You'll typically find this at the top of the invoice screen. In this expanded view, you'll see a button labeled Less Payment. By clicking on this, you effectively unlink the payment from the invoice, making it revert to an unpaid status. Keep in mind that by doing this, you're not actually deleting the payment record itself, just its association with this particular invoice. Next, you need to click on Options. This is usually located towards the side of the screen or under a drop-down menu, depending on your interface layout. Clicking Options gives you various actions you can perform on this invoice. Finally, from the drop-down menu, select Remove and Redo. This action will remove the invoice from your records, but preserve the payment details for future use or correction. Now, with these steps completed, your invoice is effectively deleted, leaving you with clear and precise accounting records. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to delete a paid invoice in Xero. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Xero efficiently. It's all about making sure your financial records are as accurate and up-to-date as possible.